Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really easy layered card for you. This is my Happy Mother's Day layered card. How pretty is that with the flowers there at the top? We have the sentiment here that says Happy Mother's Day. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This project is really easy to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, brayer, scraper, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account with me already, you can click the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at all the different options and select which one is right for you. I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and enter my credentials. And now I've logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can use the main navigation bar here at the top. Now this file is free and available to all membership tiers. Those with free memberships will be able to find the file in the free files page. Basic and premium members will be able to find the file in the file library. No matter where you download the file from, make sure to download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score, highlight the group, and Attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once the score lines have been converted for the envelope and for the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is layer up the front cover panel. Now I have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the darker green, pink, light green, dark red, and then red. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. You can set that to the side. Now let's take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Open up that card base and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close the card, and let's attach the front cover panel. And there is our card. I'll set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Attach it to the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, fold the side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And there is our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this card easy to put together? I think that your mom, your grandmother, your aunt, whomever you're going to send Mother's Day cards out to this year is really going to like this one. I hope that you make it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.